Huebner. I'm here with Michelle, and as you remember, Michelle, we documented her surgery day. It's on our YouTube channel. You can check that out. And she's here at 5 months from her procedure, and Michelle is very happy. We have some good growth at this point. It's nowhere near her final result, but we can already see how her new hair is going to reframe her face, make her forehead much smaller, and one of the most shocking things of all is her scar, or lack of scar. And I'll show that in a second. But overall, Michelle, how's your recovery been, and what do you think so far?
Hey, the recovery was fine. I had no issues at all. I live in Maryland, so I was at your Bethesda location, and Dr. Huebner at that office took the sutures out. And I mean, it's been fine, and it's growing in nicely, and I'm happy.
Awesome. And you can see really what, even at 5 months, and again, this is nowhere near a final result, but even at 5 months, what a new edge and hairline does for her forehead. Her forehead was way back here. In fact, we had a little bit of we didn't get the whole area, so we may come back in about 9 months or so, or 7 to 9 months, and kind of finish up what we started. But you can kind of see, and over the next couple months, this is going to thicken up considerably more, where she's going to have an end result of about 30 to 40% of her density in the back. One thing I want to show is, and I'll show some before and after pictures kind of side by side, but let me show you what her scar looks like. So I'm going to turn you around, Michelle. Sorry.
Okay.
All right, and again, I'll try to put some pictures up here, but look how short, number one, she wears her hair, and she wants to wear her hair short, so that was a concern of hers, am I able to wear my hair short? But if you look, at first glance, if you didn't know she had a procedure, you would never know. It looks completely normal, like nothing happened. Just because I did the suture line, I know where it is. But her suture line is actually a little invisible line. Again, it's probably not going to even show up on the video. Can I have you put your chin down a little bit more? Perfect. The suture line is right there. Right there. I mean, you can't even see it. I just know where it is because I did it. So even at this, and she even said even her hair shorter, you couldn't see it. But this is pretty much as short as you can go. But thanks again, Michelle. Looking forward to seeing really the next couple months are going to be fun. And,
yeah, this is great, and I appreciate the opportunity to come down and have it done. And I think it's helpful for Black women to know that you can have this done and not be overly concerned about the scar and all of the implications of having a hair transplant. So, and I know people have asked about the scar and how that works, and as you can see, I have no scar. So
really, she doesn't have a scar.
I really don't have a scar.
Now, we don't say it was a scarless procedure. Everyone has a tiny scar, but this has got to be the best of the best right here in terms of what we see. I mean, this is amazing. So I'm really excited to see what this suture line does, or the hairline does for her. Thank you again for paying it forward.
Absolutely.
It really will help somebody, I think, as they're doing their research. There's not a lot of resources out there for Black women in particular that have traction alopecia. So thanks again.
Thanks.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.